Welcome back, everybody. I just want to do a quick little video here for you on this continuing project, this white Mercedes SUV, which is a repeat customer. Did a deep cleaning about a month ago, paint correction and all that. But what I was going to show you right quick, they just got back from Florida in this thing, so it's got salt from the air and all that kind of stuff all over it and under it. So what I'm going to do is take that little gadget that you can see right there. It's actually designed to wash decks and driveways and that kind of stuff with, but you can flip it upside down and it sprays up, attaches to your pressure washer. You can see I've attached it to the wand from my pressure washer over there. And what I'm going to do is thoroughly rinse the undercarriage of this vehicle in an effort to get rid of the salt contaminants that have been left underneath there. I'm not sure how much good it does. I mean, how do you measure success on something like that? But I figure it's going to help some and it's worth doing. And I've put soap, some powerful soap, into the soap canister on my pressure washer, so that I'll rinse it, then I'll soap it, and then I'll rinse it again. But I just want to do a quick short video to try to show you folks how this thing works right quick. Alright, so let me turn it on. See, the nozzles are here, and if you want to spray up, you flip it upside down. If you want it to spray down like your driveway or something, you just turn it this way. Not a big deal, not a big deal. So what you do is you just turn the pressure. Have y'all watch the whole process. I just wanted to show you that gadget in action. That particular one's made by Ryobi. I think I picked it up at Home Depot, I believe, several years ago. In fact, I made a video back then of me using it and demonstrating it. I'll try to find that for you guys. It's a little more in depth than this one, but it's a pretty handy tool to have. You know, you never know what kind of crap might be on the underside of your vehicle that you might be able to just rinse off with a tool like that. Yeah, there's other ways of doing it, but that's just the method I found, and I like it. So, you know, it was about 40 bucks, I guess, give or take. So for that amount of money, if you already have a pressure washer, I think it's called Why Not. I rinse the underside of my Mustang all the time with it, and damn near every vehicle that comes through here that I wash gets it. I figure it only takes a couple minutes. Why not? Okay folks, thank y'all. Bye bye.